In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your Samsung Smart TV keeps powering on and off and then on and off randomly. So I'll show you a few tricks and one of them for sure will work. So let's start with the easiest of them. So while the TV is turned on, remove the power outlet, disconnect it. Now under your Samsung TV, there should be a button. Mine is located right over here on the right side, but yours can be located in the middle or even on the left side. What you need to do is to keep press this button during 30 seconds. Do not let it go. Even if the TV is currently unplugged, this will remove any remaining charge. After 30 seconds, you can release the button. Now it's time to wait 5 minutes. Do not do anything, do not touch the TV. After this 5 minutes has passed, take the power cable and we'll connect it directly to a wall socket. Do not connect to a power strip because sometimes this is causing the problem. After doing this, it's time to turn on your Samsung TV, and what you need to do is to turn it on using the same button you used previously. Do not use the remote control. So just by tapping it once, the TV should turn on and your problem should be gone. Another thing that you can do is to go on the back of your TV where the HDMI ports are located. And if you are trying to use one of them and this is when it turns on and off, simply disconnect the device and then connect it in another HDMI port. And make sure you push it all the way in. Another thing you can try is to go on the settings menu with your remote control, press the home button, then the left side arrow a few times until settings is selected, press OK. Then go down until you select general. Go down where you see Eco Solution and make sure that power saving mode is turned off. Then go down and make sure that auto power off is turned off as well. Finally, another thing to try out is to press the source button on your remote control and select another source over there. Select TV if you are connected to an HDMI port or select another HDMI port from here. Sometimes when you connect an HDMI device, the error will be that it may only send the sound and no picture. So the TV screen will be completely black, but you will hear stuff and think that it's the TV's fault when in fact it's just your HDMI device that it's connected to. So hopefully one of these solutions will solve your problem. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.